At SolarTech, we believe in making your solar experience as unique as you are. Introducing a unique opportunity to personalize your Tesla Powerwall 3 with a custom graphical wrap. Choose your favorite color or even your favorite sports team logo. Tailor your Powerwall 3 to match your style and preferences. SolarTech is the only company offering this exclusive customization. Not only will your Powerwall 3 look great, but it will also store the excess energy your solar panels are generating, giving you power whenever you need it. Experience the benefits of solar energy with a personal touch, greater energy independence, savings, and a Powerwall 3 that reflects your personality. Contact SolarTech today to learn more about our solar and battery solutions. Personalize your power with SolarTech.